Welcome to another exciting tutorial, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of BingX, one of the hottest crypto exchanges out there. And we're going to guide you step by step on how to deposit your precious assets into this platform. So buckle up and let's get started. Hello everyone. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your crypto journey, understanding the deposit process is crucial. With BingX, it's not just about trading. It's about ensuring your assets are secure and accessible. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, log into your BingX account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to sign up. It's a straightforward process, just like any other platform. Once you're in, navigate to the Our Wallet section. This is where you'll manage all your assets, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond. Now locate and click on the Deposits button. A new window will pop up, revealing your unique deposit address for each cryptocurrency supported. This address is crucial when transferring funds from another platform or wallet. Ensure you use this exact address. Any mistakes can lead to irreversible losses. Once you've copied the address, head over to your external wallet or exchange. Initiate a transfer to this address. Remember, blockchain transactions are secure, but it's always wise to double-check the address. After initiating the transfer, give it some time. Blockchain confirmations might take a few minutes to hours, depending on the network traffic. And there you have it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your funds will reflect in your BingX wallet, ready for trading, staking, or whatever you have in mind. We wrap up a quick reminder. Always keep your account details and passwords secure, and if you're new to the platform, consider exploring BingX's resources and support to maximize your trading experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Until next time, happy trading.